How to set up Face ID for apps in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll walk you through setting up Face ID for apps on iOS 18.1. If you want to keep your apps secure and easily accessible, stay tuned, and let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. Make sure your Face ID is set on the iPhone. Make sure toggles for iPhone Unlock and iTunes and App Store are turned on. Now go back to Home Screen. Then tap and hold on any app that you want to put Face ID on. Then tap on Require Face ID if you want to require Face ID and hide the app that chose it. Then verify your Face ID. Now all the time. When you will open the app, it will immediately verify the Face ID. This secures your iPhone. If Face ID doesn't recognize you, then go to Settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. Tap on Reset Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID again. Now you can use Face ID for seamless and secure access to your apps. And there you have it. Setting up Face ID for apps on iOS 18.1 is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.